When your old barn has outlived its purpose, it's time to make space for something new. Enter Stache Junk Removal and Property Services. With our expert barn demolition services, we don't just tear it down, we ensure the process is smooth, safe, and stress-free for you. Whether it's a weathered relic taking up space on your property or a structure that's become a safety hazard, our team is here to handle it all. From the first nail removed to the final piece of debris hauled away, we'll make that barn a memory and leave you with a clean slate. At Stache Junk Removal, we bring precision and professionalism to every demolition job. Our team is trained to carefully deconstruct barns, preserving salvageable materials whenever possible and responsibly disposing of the rest. We work fast but never cut corners, ensuring your property remains undamaged and ready for its next chapter. And the best part? You don't have to lift a finger. Just point us to the barn, and we'll handle the rest, from permits to cleanup. It's not just demolition, it's transformation. Ready to reclaim your space? Give Stache Junk Removal and Property Services a call today. Let's turn your vision into reality, one barn at a time. Whether you're planning to build, landscape, or just enjoy the open view, we've got your back. Don't let that old barn hold you back. With Stache, the future starts now. Hit the link below to schedule your free consultation and take the first step toward a fresher, cleaner property.